wind is not on my side. Yeah, probably this might be the last battery. That was harsh. I'm struggling. Dang. Should not take too much effort to go through this thing. Damn. What's up to the RSSI? Alright. Turn the antenna a little bit. Still looking back is, whoa, that's crazy. Can't barely see anything. There we go. Come on, antennas. Come on. Yeah, that's the only downside of doing, not that this is long distance, but longer than I know that the stock antenna's capable in the transmitter. That since it's a log antenna, it doesn't keep its position too well, and I know that now it's depending on how I'm moving the quad or the orientation of the antennas on the quad are located and looking at. So now it's more of those kind of things. Even if I go to the, not the stock antenna, but the shorter one, the 6 dB one, I'd still keep the measurement of it. I just would be more conscious of not trying to go long distance, if that makes any sense, and just keep to a comfortable location and squirrel. Also, I think they moved the benches. The benches were over here on this side. Now they're in the middle of where the trees or the leaves are falling. So I'm guessing they were trying to get some shade out of them, out of the trees, I guess. Not anymore with no leaves. Yeah, it's picking up wind. So it's going faster in this direction because that's where the wind is blowing toward. Yeah, prop washing, see? Yeah, see? Air is just being, that's how I do. Alright, bringing her back. I heard you. Nope.